my eating box.
This is my cousin's slime, and I really like it.
This is.
If you don't know, this one.
You trying to do it like that?
This one.
Or was it?
Oh my gosh.
No one knows. Nobody knows except for Larry.
This one.
3.
There is. This one I'm just gonna poke because I don't want to take it out. This is the next one.
I just pulled.
They're playing Uno if you hear them.
No. That's just the
Uno.
Here's this one. By the way, none of these slimes are mine. They're hers.
Yeah, whoop-de-doo.
This one's not that stretchy, but I don't really care. I like
Acting
it's
like
pretty.
you acting like you Tina Brongar again.
I'm gonna do this one.
9 party.
I don't. See?
Here.
Lips big than the whole ears.
Here's this one. It's little. I like it. It's pretty.
That one's toe.
There it is. So yeah.
Now you can draw to me again, so just go ahead.
By far, this is my favorite one.
Uno.
My turn.
Tiana, did you add water to this slime?
What's one? This one? No.
It's really nice. Next is this rubber band slime. Don't be done.
Red.
Okay, this one is like.
Yes!
That was the clutchiest spot ever. Look at my card.
I know, I seen. Like,
Oh, I got another one.
The
Final slime is this one. Okay. This has to be this is my second favorite.
You got a 2?
I wish so much that was a 2. 2? It's my turn again.
Let's just go.
And then it's
lose.
I got 2 wilds.
I got 2 wilds, and one of them is.
This is the end of the video. All the slimes are made by her. That's my
Oh,
favorite.
go follow me. I mean, go subscribe to me on
Yes,
YouTube.
I gotta do my color.
Space Angel 9964.
Go on my YouTube channel.
Bye.
Cheers. Okay.